Orvieto Umbria is a beautiful little town to visit with your dad or your grandpa. Walking around can be a challenge, but there's a nice parking lot with paid toilets right next to the Duomo. Dad had a great time taking pictures for his friends back home. Also, right in front of the Duomo, there's plenty of benches to just sit and admire its beauty. Nice, huh? Say hi. You can walk a few hundred meters towards the center of the town, sit down on one of the benches, and just people watch. People watching in Italy is always interesting. And once you've worked up an appetite, you can go to a restaurant. I'll leave the link of the one that we went to. It was absolutely fabulous local cuisine, fresh, seasonal ingredients. Dad has quite the appetite and always gets all of the courses. Can you tell we had fun? And of course, he couldn't refuse the tiramisu. Then it was time to head back home through the tourists. And Dad took some more photos for his friends. You can really spend the afternoon just admiring the bas-relief on the facade. Then on the opposite part of the parking lot, there's a gorgeous view of the surrounding countryside. And of course, Dad had to take some video. And that was basically a nice day in Orvieto. Bye for now.